In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert text to table and table to text in Word. By the end, you'll be able to turn a block of text into a neatly organized table and convert a table back into plain text when you need a simpler format. Let's start by converting text to a table. First, highlight the text you want to convert. Make sure it's arranged in a way that makes sense for a table. Each line will become a row, and within each line, you'll want a clear separator, like a tab or a comma, between pieces of information you want in separate columns. Consistent separators across all lines will give you clean results. With the text selected, go to the Insert tab, click Table, and choose Convert Text to Table. A dialog box will open. Here, confirm or adjust the number of columns. Word often guesses based on your separators, but you can change it if needed. Next, choose how your text is separated: tabs, commas, or other. Tabs are great for data you spaced using the tab key. If you used commas, select commas. If you used a different character, like a semicolon or a vertical bar, pick other and type that character in the box. If the number of separators varies from line to line, some rows may not align perfectly, so try to keep your separators consistent. When everything looks right, click OK. Your text is now a table with rows and columns you can edit, style, and format. Now, let's convert a table back to text. Select the entire table. When you click inside it, Word reveals Table Tools at the top. Go to the Layout tab under Table Tools and click Convert to Text. You'll see options for how to separate the text once it's no longer in a table: tabs, commas, or other. Choose tabs for clean spacing, commas if you're preparing a CSV-style list, or other if you need a specific character. Be mindful that commas inside your data can cause confusion if you choose commas as your separator. When you're ready, click OK. Word replaces the table with plain text using your chosen separator between former cells and paragraph breaks for rows. If something doesn't look right, remember you can undo instantly. And if you ever need to switch formats again, you can convert back and forth as needed. That's all you need to confidently move between text and table formats in Word.